Today, we're going to go ahead and create a vendor. To begin, navigate to the Pricebook and select Vendors. Alternatively, you can use the Smart Search to quickly locate it. Even on the Vendors page, you can see here we have a Summary tab. You can see the total vendors, vendors with no items, and vendors with no sales. So this tool is also interactive, so by clicking on them, it would give you more details. Additionally, we do also have the Report tab here. You can go ahead and get a report and get more insights on this by generating a report. Once you arrive here, click on the Add Vendor in the top right corner. Enter the vendor's name. In default department, if this vendor is providing for a specific department, you can select that just to keep a track of it. You can enter the vendor company details below if you have them, and on the right hand side, in the payment section, you can select the payment method for the vendor. If you choose check, additional options like default check, check limit, and check terms will become available. The check limit helps prevent issuing large checks, which adds an extra layer of security. And check terms allow you to control how often checks can be issued. For example, setting it to 7 days will restrict issuing more than one check within that period. And then click Save. You have now created your vendor. Pretty simple, right? Additionally, from this screen, you can also edit or delete existing vendors if needed. You can upload and manage vendor documents using the Documents option. The Summary tab provides a quick overview of vendor's performance, including inventory and margins. Under Item Details, you can view all items linked to the vendor through active items, items that are out of stock, a low inventory, slow items, dead items, and items that never sold. The top 50 items sections highlights the best performing products. The Comparison tab allows you to analyze activity over time. Logs track all actions taken within the vendor. And finally, the Order Planner helps you manage and plan upcoming orders. You can also click the Sales by Item, and the Sales by Item will give you the history of all the sales that happened in the past 7 days, 15 days, and 30 days. You can also create a purchase order from here at the top right corner. And that is it for creating a vendor. Just like always, I'll see you guys in the next video.